Let's talk about changing our views in our view cube. And this is something we looked at the very beginning when we first started looking at Autodesk, but it's been a while. Some of you might have done it since then. But we can actually update the view. So what if, for example, after I built the part, I decided I wanted this to be my front view? Well, what I would do is once I get the view that I want, I'd right click and I'd go down to set current view as front. And you can do the same thing as top, obviously. But now this is my front view. You might notice, well, if I hit the home button, it goes all the way back. Now this is my bottom view, but that's what my home view, my isometric view, is set to, where the bottom view is now the front view. Well, what if I wanted to, let's go to the new front view here. Let me turn this sideways, and let's go to this view. If I wanted to set the home view, if I wanted to make this my new home view, which I don't know why you would, now you can't see what's going on in the shape. It's not very descriptive of what you're looking at, but let's just say you did. I can reset this as my new home view, and we can set it as a fixed distance, or we could fit it to our view. What does that mean? Well, this home, when it says fixed distance, it means wherever we're at. So I can have it off to the side. Well, I don't want that. Let's do it again. Well, hold on a second. Let me get back to where we want to be here. So we get front or lit up or correctly. We move it around. We zoom out a little bit. I can set this as my home view. And if I hit fixed distance, now wherever I go, if I hit home, it's going to go to that view. And whereas if I went to set current view as home view and we say fit to view, and now we hit the home button, it's going to zoom in so it centers it. And obviously there are other things we can play around with. We can reset the front view, and so we'll reset front, and you'll see what happens now. Well, now if you look, the original front view is the front view again. Well, actually, no, that actually didn't. That makes this over here our front view. So anyway, you can play around with it and see how this works. But obviously there are different tools in here. So if I want to make this my front view again, I just go to set current view as front, or I could have changed this to my top view, etc. And then, well, I want to go ahead and make this my home view again. So we'll go ahead and set current view at home, or as home, and then I'm going to go to fit to view. That way it's all back to standard.